Hello friends, welcome to DevOps Hint. In today's session, we are going to talk about GitHub, and in today's session, we are going to cover how to create new repository in GitHub. So you can see here, I have already logged in my GitHub account, and in my previous video, I have explained how to create account in GitHub. So now we are going to cover how to create new repository in GitHub. So what is repository? Repository means a folder that we can upload our project or files in the particular folder. So now we are going to create new repository. So now you can see here I have already logged in, and if your account is new, then your account structure some, because I have already some repositories. So now we are going to create new repositories. So you can see in my left side here new. Otherwise, you can see that plus icon. So click on it and click on new repository. Now you can see repository name. So you can give any meaningful name. So here I'm assigning sample, and description. So description is not mandatory. If you want to, then you can give any meaningful description. Otherwise, skip it. So here I'm assigning sample project. Now you can see public or private. If you want to public, then you can keep public. If you want to private, then click on private, because both are free. So if you don't know what is the difference between public and private repository, so public repositories are accessible to everyone on the internet, and private repositories are accessible. So now if you scroll down, you can see then click on add readme file. That means you will get readme file here, and in readme file you will get some data or some information. So now click on create repository. So now you will get a repository that the name sample here, and so you can see here we have readme.md file here. So .md extension, .md means markdown. Now you can see in left side commit. So what is commit? So we have created that file that is one commit, and you can see here, here is branch. So I have only one branch, so that's why here only one branch. So now we will create new file. So we can see add file. So click on add file and create new file. So now we will create add file for PHP. So name of your file is PHP. Now add some data in that file. Now if you scroll down, you can see a commit. So here I will say PHP file, and description. So description is optional, it's not mandatory, so you can skip it. So now you can see commit directly to the main branch, because I have only one branch, so that's why here only one branch. So click on commit new file. So now you can see here a file we created, that the name PHP, you can see here. And now you want to update your code, then after every work you have to commit. Now we will see. So firstly click on PHP. So now we will update our PHP file. Click on edit, and now we will update our PHP file. Now I will add new lines. Welcome to DevOps Hint. And now commit. So add new line, and commit directly to the main branch, same branch. Then click on commit change. Now you can see we got new line here. 9 number. So if you check here commit, go back. So if you check here commit, there is there is 3 commit, and if you click on commit, it will maintain all the changes that we did. So you can see here initial commit, means that we added the first file, that readme file. You can see here only first file, readme. If you go back, then again click on commits, then php file. When we create our php file, so you can see here our php file, that then go back, click on commits, and click on add new line, that our last commit, that we update our file. So you can see here we added new lines, echo welcome to DevOps scene, that. So this was you can see here. So we have created repository in GitHub. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps Scene channel.